Bandit plays so cute with the little ones. The little tan one, he likes to cry wolf every time he gets caught. Be gentle, Bandit. Bandit. Good boy, good boy. You're crying wolf, though. You're not even being nothing happening to you. You are so cute. Oh, the little girl's going for a swim. The little girl went for a swim. They went for a swim. He's going in too. He's trying to get into the pool. He can't get in. Oh, he's in. He made it. He made it. Leia, you putting a show on for these little ones here?